This tutorial is about the nominal rate of interest. It is the most stated or quoted interest rate. So in any given context, if you're given the interest rate, you should assume that the interest rate being spoken about is the nominal rate of interest. Nominal rate of interest can be approximated by the following formula. Your interest rate is equal to R plus H. R represents the real rate of interest. H represents the inflation rate. So this tells us that when we charge interest, we want to achieve two things. We want to at least maintain our standard of living by being compensated for the increase of prices of goods and services in the economy. But then secondly, we want to earn a real return on our investment. We want to increase our wealth, and that's the real rate of return. The most accurate way, however, to calculate the nominal rate of interest is as follows. It's 1 plus the real rate of return multiplied by 1 plus the inflation rate minus 1. This is referred to as the Fisher formula, and it will give you a precise calculation of what the nominal interest rate is. If the real rate of return is say 4% and the inflation is 6%, this approximation will give you a nominal interest rate answer of 10%. If the Fisher effect is used to calculate the nominal interest rate, then it will equal 1 plus the real rate of return, which is 4%, multiplied by 1 plus the inflation rate, which is 6%, minus 1. And this gives you 10.24%. So using the approximation calculation, the nominal interest rate is 10%, but if you want to be precise, if you want to be absolutely accurate, then you use the Fisher formula in order to calculate the nominal interest rate, and you get 10.24%.